Thank you for joining us today. I'm Alexandra, and Leah is here with us, and we're going to review One-Click Health Calculator. We're going to start with looking at a producer's site that has One-Click Health, and that would be Jeff Johnson from JBJ Insurance. We're going to open his site right now, and we had clicked on individual and family, and this is what comes up on Jeff's site. And we're going to click on his green button, and we'll be talking about the green button later. This is a green button that's given to producers that sign up, and what happens when you open this is an entire website that is branded for the producer. In this case, it happens to be Jeff. So you can see JBJ Insurance is branded here, and here is his information over here as well. I'm going to scroll down a little bit to step 1. You can see these 4 fields here. If you have somebody visiting your site and they complete any one of these 4 fields or all of them, then this information will be emailed to the producer as a sales opportunity. So we're going to enter some information here so you can see this in action. Maybe I'll give this person a better date of birth here. And I'm going to open up just so you can see the spouse. So if there was a spouse with this person, this information would have been entered here. And then for children, and I'm going to click on Add Child so you can see where you would be adding the information for the children. So this is where you would enter the number of people in the household. In this example, we're going to just have a household of 1. If people want to know more about who is in their household, this is a link to really good information right here. And we're going to write down, we're going to enter in the household income as $27,000, agree to terms and conditions, and then click Calculate. And as you can see, we have a number of plans that are coming up, Exchange and Direct. And you can see the tax credit here. This person, based on their household size and income, would have qualified for an estimated monthly tax credit or subsidy of $33.39. I want to talk a little bit about the left navigation over here. I'm going to click on Direct. By doing that, all we see are direct plans. I'm going to unclick that for the moment, and we can sort by the monthly cost of the plan, the deductible, maximum out of pocket, and we can also sort by the provider as well, plan level and also plan type. So we're going to go back and we're going to click on a couple of different plans here. You can see we can compare up to 5 plans. We're just going to choose 3 at this time. So here is Molina Healthcare of Washington. We're going to scroll down a little bit to the Group Health Cooperative Flex Gold. It's a direct plan. We're going to click on here, and then we're also going to scroll down a little bit, and we're going to click on a Regents plan, Gold Connect 1500 University of Washington. We're going to click on that, and you can see we've selected 3 plans, and we're going to click Compare. So we see these plans side by side, as you can see, and the applicant information is up here at the top that we've typed in. You notice there are no names here, and then that is to protect PHI. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit here. The in-network provider is listed here, so then when someone clicks on one of these links, it will take them to the insurance company website, and they already have the name of the network, so they know which network to use in the drop-down menus. Here is the estimated annual financial exposure, and this is the annual premium plus, I know this is a little hard to see the plus sign, you're out of pocket. So basically, it's in this example, $225.06 times 12 plus 6,850. So this gives people an idea of what their worst case scenario is in terms of what they pay for premium annually and what their out-of-pocket is. Now we're going to scroll down and you can see the 10 essential benefits. Let me scroll through here so you can see that. Down to pediatric, vision, and dental. You can see the call to action buttons here. We're going to scroll up again and we're going to talk about those call to action buttons a little bit more at the top. We're going to click right here on the direct plan for group health. And we're going to type in a zip code here. So Jeff Johnson's name comes up here because he is the producer. This is where the producer name goes. And when one of your clients clicks on apply for an insurance plan and it happens to be this one, the producer information is already embedded on this plan. So I'm going to click out of here. One thing that we're going to do now is click on the print button. And this is a pretty important button to click on because this will be the way that you'll be able to send the comparisons to your clients by email. So here you see the producer name appear again, and again this is Jeff's because we're on his website. And here's the applicant information here. Now, right now this is in print and we would be using this printer. But if we change this to save as PDF, then we will be able to email this to our client. And you might want to save this as the client's name, put it in your server, and then email it to them. We find that when people have an opportunity to review this on their own at home, they usually come to a pretty quick decision, go back onto your website and apply for the plan. I'm going to click cancel now, and I'm going to return to the insurance plans. And I'm going to scroll up a little bit. And we clicked on apply now for a direct plan, but let's click on apply now for an exchange plan. Here we have a Contact Us button, and we'll talk about how you can customize this button in a few minutes, but we wanted to show you what that looked like. So your information would be here. It would go to your Contact Us page on the calculator. We're going to scroll up a little bit further here and click on Update Your Information. This is sort of a shortcut for buying right here. If somebody, after they receive your side-by-side comparison, decide what plan they want to buy, they don't need to come back in and complete this information here. They can come over here and I know which plan I want to buy, click on this button here, and let's say it is that group health plan that they do want to buy. Again, we'll type this in. And Jeff's information comes up again. So we just wanted to show you that shortcut. Now, one thing that we wanted to also show you is the producer login. And we don't have Jeff's username or password, so I'm going to use the password we have for our own account. And we've already entered our password here down below. We're going to log in. And this is the producer dashboard. So you can see where this is where the producer is welcome. So then your name would be here. Here are some items that we recommend that you have ready to sign up to fill in your dashboard: your logo, website address, a photo, your bio, and your insurance electronic links or URLs. So I'm going to scroll down to section 1. This is your information right here, pretty straightforward. Section 2, you can update a logo or a photo here if you choose to, and also some biographical information. Section 3, this is your custom link, and we just wanted to mention that you can copy and paste this into emails, copy and paste this on your website. This will take people exactly to your calculator. You have another option that you can use as well, or in addition to, which is the green button that we showed you on Jeff's website. And in the code, you can see where Jesse Consulting is embedded here, but your name would be embedded here. Here is the code, and you would need to have you can copy this code and send it to your web developer so they can upload this to your website, and what will happen is this green button will appear. I'm going to scroll down here to section 4A, and this is where you would input your electronic producer IDs for direct plans, and we would suggest that you enter or paste. It would be nice if you could just copy and paste these in for yourself. And if you're not appointed with a particular company or don't want those insurance plans to show, just leave the box blank. And that information is repeated here as well. So our Assurus is left blank because we don't have an appointment with them, but you can see the group health is completed. We don't have an appointment with Kaiser. You can see the LifeWise and Moda fields. These fields will be removed soon. Section 4B, this is the exchange plan pop-up box that we've already visited. If you like the pop-up box as is, that's just fine. You can customize it. You can change the title of it. So this title would change. If you don't change the title, then it will default to the current one that you see up there. You can change the text. You can add a phone number, email, or your website, and then you can click Preview. You can save here, or you can save here as well. You can come back at any point in time and change anything on your dashboard, change your address, change any information you put in that mobile box, anything that you would like to do. Now we're going to go to the home page of One-Click Health Calculator, and I'm going to ask Leah to talk about signing up now. I'm going to click on this button.
Thank you, Alexandra. Regarding our subscription costs, most of our brokers are very pleased with our subscription pricing strategy. One thing that makes One-Click Health Calculator unique is the way in which we structure our pricing. Instead of taking commission, we ensure that all of your clients remain your own and only charge a $100 initial setup fee as well as a $50 monthly fee. And that covers the cost of your One-Click Health Calculator branded website, and it also means that your clients remain your own and your commissions remain completely your own. Another benefit to the way that our sign-up process works is that within 20 minutes of signing up, you can have a fully branded, functioning, and live quote engine made for you. Most of our brokers really like that.
Thank you, Leah. So I just want to scroll down a little bit. I'm just going to review the sign-up page with you. So here's where you would put in your name and your contact details. And here's where you would create a username and a password. And after your payment is made, then you'll receive an email with a link to your dashboard, and you would enter your username and password. So please remember to write these down before you leave this site. We want to thank you very much for attending today.